So really all the stocks, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on what's going on in the market. So really all the stocks, including IREN, Cypher, QBTS, QUBT, Rigetti, Oklo, all those stocks are really having a little bit of a rough go here. But if you check my page, if you go to my YouTube page, you'll see me breaking down a lot of the stocks, including things like Open Door, ticker symbol OPEN, and basically giving a breakdown of what's going on in that stock, which is pretty much what's going to go on in all the rest of the stocks. A lot of the other high flyers like AFRM, that's Affirm Holdings, including UBTS, Upstart, UPTS, that's Upstart. Those are high flyers at 1.2 earlier in the year, maybe about 3 months ago, a month or two ago, and they've come down quite a bit. And I believe IREN, Cypher, QBTS, Bitfarm, all those high flying stocks are going to come down as well. So just something you want to take a look at. If you're invested in those stocks, you might want to take profits, especially if you're one of those who got in red at the bottom. Take profits. If not, maybe just give it a little bit of time. But it looks like excuse me, it looks like we're going to be in a little bit of a downturn here, regardless of what somebody like Tom Lee has to say and all these other guys. I do believe they're going to be coming down for quite a bit here. In my heart of hearts, I want to say that stocks like Cypher, QBTS, Bitfarm, not really IREN. IREN kind of hit the top already. IonQ already hit the top already twice. But stocks like Bitfarm, Cypher kind of, yeah, Cypher, really QBTS, and yeah, QBTS and Oklo. I believe those ones, if they're really properly traded stocks, which they should be, then they should go back to the top before they come back down a second time. If you look at stocks like Upstart and AFRM, they went back to the top where there was a gap down negative day. They went back to the top of that gap down negative day and they came down. But these stocks have already come down 30-40%, 20-30%, and they've come down quite violently. Same with stocks like QuantaScape, QS, stocks like those stocks are just, the high flyers are really starting to come down. Now, my strategy that I apply, honestly, I was so excited for them guys. I can't lie. And it's kind of heartbreaking. I won't lie. It really is heartbreaking when things just start going crazy without doing things in a proper manner. Like even Tilray is just all of a sudden going straight down. And when you're the trader like I am, you really look for perfect entries. And from my estimations, they should go back to the top before they come back down like this. It's just they're just coming down so violently, completely unannounced, and there's so many gaps for them to fill at the top of the chart. You would think that they would want to come down, go back up there and fill the gap before it came back down. But with that said, people like Carter Worth, people like Mark Newton, even the Permabull Tom Lee has made comments about the stock market needing a little bit of consolidation or even a little bit of a re-rating. That's the terminology they use. But I believe, man, if they go back to the top, these will be some of the most perfect shorts we will ever see in a little bit here. But as I said, everything happens for a reason. I'm actually looking for some longs in IonQ. There's a great long in that one coming up. Just who knows when it's going to trigger. But basically you got to look for either a green day or a gap up positive day and just getting at the bottom of that, and or either just 2 green days or 1 gap up negative day, gap up positive day, and then getting at the bottom of those positive days. But But yeah, there's some wild times in the stock market. As you said, like things are just moving so fiercely and aggressively. It's actually insane. Like, yeah, it makes it quite challenging. It kind of favors the person who's a stock trader that uses a lot of trend lines versus me. I use a lot of price action. Yeah, I look at a lot of price action. So I wait for confirmation. I wait for certain patterns to develop around certain moving averages. But this stock market is really favoring that person who uses trend lines. It's interesting. It seems like at one time it favors the person who uses trend lines, and at one time it favors the person who uses price action. But needless to say, there are tons of stocks out there, tons of opportunities, and we're going to keep looking for them. And please let me know what you guys think of what's going on in the stock market. It's kind of crazy right now, as I said, but it's going to be some great opportunities coming up, especially in QUBT. I'm going to put a video up on that, a little short up on that. I'm going to do another update video on IonQ. And yeah, there should be some great opportunities coming up here, guys. Guys and gals and folks, and I really appreciate you guys. And please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this video. This is my new style. I'm going to try to do a daily little vlog and let you guys know what my perception of the market is. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Thanks.